Hi, chickies. You guys have new ankle bands on, don't you? All the same. Everybody's in red. Baduck, baduck, baduck. Yeah. They want treats. Well, come on, let's go this way. Come on. Whoa. They're going crazy. Here we go. Here we go, chickies. Chick, chick, chick. Who wants treats? I have them up here. Treat, treat. Chick, chick. There's treats. So we banded everybody last night so that when I decide to let the bigs out and commingle, if they decide to go in the big chicken coop, bigger chicken coop, we'll know who's who. I know who little red hen is because she's my little cray cray. She used to be my red tag. So I don't need that one anymore. All right, let's go let the bigs out. See what happens. Baduck, baduck. Chuck can't hardly stand it. Are you going crazy? You guys want to come out and flop about? You guys want some flopping time? Yeah, they do. Who wants to come out and flop? They all do. Here we go. I'm surprised he didn't go the other way. Princess Buttercup. What are you doing in there, Princess? You coming out? There she goes. Baduck, baduck. Chuck doesn't seem to care about the kids. It's pretty chilly out here and it is windy. Not windy enough to blow my, uh-oh. Yeah, he does. Hey, Chuck. Baduck, baduck. Hey, Chuck. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, chick, chick, chick. Chuck will teach him. Don't pinch me, Chuck. You be nice. You need to simmer down, big boy. I was petting him. He decided he wanted to play with girls while I was petting him. She got more nervous. Yeah. Chuck says I found food. Don't let him trick you, girls. All the other chickens are up by my back porch. Goodness. That's how he behaved when he was a teenager. He ran into them and scattered them all out. That is what you consider a chicken dance. That's what a polite rooster does to get them to squat. But these girls don't know about squatting, I don't think. But he's trying to be polite. He's saying, "Don't you want to dance with me?" And that's his second move, is he tricks them into thinking he has found food. Yeah, chick, chick, chick. You can see his red feet. That is hormones. Uh-oh. The chase is on. Black, black. But it seems like the girls want to be away from the kids still, and the kids aren't going that way. Let me go to a more neutral location. You gonna come with me, Chuck? Are you gonna come with me? He says no. Are you guys coming with me? Oh, here comes one. Flying back to her house. I'm gonna go call the other girls. Or not. Here's Nike. Hi, Nike. Hi, girly. Why is your beak red? Have you been injuring somebody? I gotta go check them out. Is somebody injured? Henrietta doesn't look injured. No, you're not injured. Little Peep, she doesn't look injured. Chickens are brutal. Princess Buttercup does not look injured. Henny Penny doesn't look injured. We don't have strawberries growing yet. Are you injured? No, she's not injured. That's just weird. Isn't that weird? We have some asparagus growing. Isn't that crazy? It's frozen, so it's funky looking. But yeah, our asparagus already started growing. Are you guys begging? Are we all begging? Okay, here I come. They're all right at my feet. Seems like one of the hens, no, they're in the compost bin. Chuck and another girl. So they're not commingling yet. Not commingling yet. But this is why you don't want to put your younger chicks in with your older girls. You saw Nugget's beak. They can cause some damage, and they're not nice to each other. And if they get a bunch of strangers in there and the strangers have no place to escape to, that's when you have trouble. You sounded like a turkey. Whoa. That was rude of Henrietta, wasn't it? Poor little red hen. Henny Penny, she's going to come over here and be mean. Watch her. That was rude. They love black oil sunflower seeds. But they only get it as a treat. Chicken feed is supposed to have everything that your chickens need in it. And I believe it is the time of the year. I got one egg today. It's just the time of the year that chickens just don't lay eggs. When you put fires on top of that and shortages on top of that and bird flu and culling chickens and chicken houses, I mean, it's just a disaster waiting to happen. I don't think there's one factor, and you can't say that the feed's not quality. I say give it to spring. And when spring hits, if you still have the same complaints, then start looking into your feed situation. That's just my opinion. The breed of your chickens has to do with how many eggs they lay too, and if they lay during the winter. There's some breeds that lay during the winter. This is not one of them. But they're a good breed. They're supposed to have a longer laying life. We will find out through the years. Hi, Henrietta. Princess Buttercup. Henny Penny. These are my three biggest girls. And my smallest on the wood line, that's Little Peep, Little Red Hen, and Nugget. Hey, Chuck. Baduck to you too. Yeah, I don't have a treat. I took him in. You guys had enough. He's like, I'd like more, please. Little Peep. One of the kids was snooping around the coop. There she is. She's thinking about going in there. She's like, I wonder what the palace is like. She's just putting her head in. Hi, Chicky. She's getting pretty brave. You should have your friends over here too. It works out better in groups. One's over there by the door of the coop, the tractor. One's in the woods, and oh, here we go. Little Peep. Little Peep ran off her own kids. Three of the kids are over on the far side of the coop. Well, one's by the door. Two are on the far side. The chickens are just so darn mean. Little Peep just pecked one of them. Some of the girls are going in for the night. And then others are just like, nope. No carrots. Little Peep. No, no, no. Thank you. Is it time to go home? That was a squat run. So that's how a chicken should squat, only they usually squat like that instead of running and then playing dead afterward. But that's my little drama queen. That's what she does. I think she's drain damaged. One's out here in the wood line. Oh, this one thinks she's following Chuck home. You really think that's happening? I kind of didn't think so. The best thing we ever did was the 5-gallon bucket feeder, because they don't waste so much food like they normally do, having to reach in and grab a piece with their beak. They eat pretty much what they pick up. I would say it takes about a 50-pound bag a month, if that. My neighbors were walking, and it made these guys nervous, so they're going home. Thanks for sharing time with us. Please, if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your weekend. Baduck, baduck, baduck.